Hello, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reinstall any application that is not working in your Samsung Crystal 4K TV. Could be any version, 50, 55, 65, 70, 75, whatever. I have a 75 version here, so let me show you. You have to go to your home screen, use the home button. Here we are in the home screen. Use the arrow of your remote. If you don't know this one of the arrows, I go to one side here. When you hit, you will see this 4 dot, that means application. Go inside to this. You have to go at the top, that part you see here. The third option is the setting. So let's go to the setting at the top. Go inside the setting option. So you will see all the downloaded application you have here. So which one you want to reinstall is not working in your TV. For example, Prime Video is not working. So what you have to do, you have to reinstall. Go the option you see here. Go check where is the reinstall option. You see here very easily you have reinstall option. Hit this button, you see the enter at the middle, this one, hit enter. Reinstall is done. Now we'll go at the up here, hit enter. So let's see if Prime is working or not. So go to your account. So Prime is working awesomely, guys. So there is no more problem. If you have any problem, no matter which application you have, if it's not working, you have to go inside and reinstall it, and that is all. If you don't know how to install any application, you can check my video, check the video description for install, delete, whatever you want to do with your Samsung TV, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.